Hey everyone, this is Paula Warfield from PerfectOnlineSolution.com, and today I am shooting this video just to tell you how excited I am about my results. As you very well know, I've been on a 90-day challenge to $10,000, and we're still in the challenge, and I'm still on my journey. And I just like to give a quick report on some results that I've had. When I started my 90 days to $10,000, I only had 4 people on my team. And so since I've been on this journey, I've been able to bring on 4 more people, and yay, I'm excited about that. I will take it. You know, you may not think that that's a lot of progress, but I am so grateful that I've been able to double my team members since I started the journey, because actually I really wasn't promoting the opportunity before the journey. But now I've decided that, you know, people need to know about DS domination. We've got so many people having so much success here. I just brought a team member on, well, actually a couple of team members on just within the last week, and they are so excited. They are so excited, and I'm so excited for them, because here, you know, the average person can have success here, and you can make DS domination, you know, you can make extra money here if that's what you decide to do. You can make it a career here. You can make a career in drop shipping and gain these skills and never have to look back. You know, that's my plan, is to gain the skills of drop shipping, continue to hone my skills, and never ever have to look back. So I just wanted to make this video to give some of my results since I've been on this journey and on this challenge. And again, I invite you to check it out and just make a decision today. If you are just, you know, stuck in a rut and want to change your life and do something different, then DS domination is for the ordinary average person. And I can almost guarantee you that when you get on board and you take a look at the trainings and do the step-by-step trainings that Roger provides in the videos, you cannot go wrong. And also, coming on board with me, you will also be able to access thousands of dollars worth of training that other teams out there do not offer. So you're getting big bonuses for joining up with me. And I'd love to have you again. That's PerfectOnlineSolution.com. Click that link and let's rock this out together. And until next time, I will talk to you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.